everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, you are going to learn how to apply for Disabled Person's Railcard. The process is simple, you just have to follow the steps till the end and don't miss any important step. First, decide whether to apply online or by post. If you are applying online, visit the official Disabled Person's Railcard website or use the application. Here, create an account, upload a passport-style photo, and provide proof of disability, such as a PIP award letter or another accepted document. Then pay the application fee. Digital rail card, you will get a download code instantly to use on your phone. Physical card arrives in about 15 days. If you are applying by post, download or request the form, fill it in, attach your supporting documents and payment, and mail it to the address provided. The Disabled Person's Railcard gives you and one companion a third of most train fares, and you can even add the discount to your Oyster card for travel in London. And that's how you will be able to apply for a Disabled Person Railcard.